So now if you listen to my furnace, it'll sound like it's kind of being starved for gas. I don't know if you can hear the fan kind of going vroom, vroom, vroom. Here now the clicking stopped and now my furnace is going full blast.